Everybody, and I say good afternoon and welcome to the vlog because today we went all the way to Mount Haida or Mount something to go see the cherry blossoms. So did you see any cherry blossoms? Yeah, we didn't either. Apparently we went 3 weeks too late, but that's okay. Apparently they're still blossoming in Naha, so hopefully I'm going to try to get down there this weekend and see what's shaking. Since we're back here in Yomitan, and this is Yomitan, beautiful Yomitan. We're gonna try to find this Isola Gelato and Sorbet company. Since I've been here, I've seen signs on 58 and they say go up these small streets, and I go up the small streets and I can't find the damn place. It's hidden, and there are so many signs for this place. I just feel like I need to find out where it is, unless the signs are just there and the place closed down years ago. But we're gonna find it. I'm taking Benny with me. So I've been living in Yomitan for like about almost a year, maybe like 4 months away from a year. I always see these signs that say Isola Gelato and ice cream, and I've always meant to drive up here, but I've always go up these small roads and get lost. I found it today. So apparently I lost my little buddy. We came here, we had our gelato Isola, we figured it all out, we found the place, it was fantastic. However, we came to see mommy because she is paddling in a boat because she's preparing for a race, and it looks like my little buddy is dead. So much for my wingman. I guess that happens. Anyway, let's see what's going on with the boat races. Mommy?
She's over to the boat.
She's in the boat. This is my everyday right here. Be nice to the camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that's it, another short vlog. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you know anybody in the military, active duty or spouse, give them a hand, shake or a hug, because it ain't easy. And I will see you next video.